Warning. You are entering an extreme bass test. Use headphones or a powerful subwoofer. Let's see how much bass your system can handle. Kick test.
DJ, Arav, Rampur.
Kick test complete. Now, feel the vibration. Okay. Now feel ultra deep bass rumble. If your system survived, now it goes to next level. Extreme subwoofer pressure test. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Okay. If your room is shaking, that means your sound system is truly powerful. At last, feel the unique bass experience.
DJ, Arav, Rampur.